Sanibona bafethu uVanile. So iBafana Bafana iyodlala against iPanama kusasa. Beyodlala leMos Mabhida okuzobe kuyigame emnandi indlela eyisimanga. Izodlala ngo7 o'clock. So ngizoshaya iline prediction yami. Ungayigxeki iline prediction yami. Ungitshele wena yakho kuma comments ukuthi ke iBafana Bafana ibapha abadlali ngabaqalisa, ibaphi ke abadlali ongeke ubadlalise. Remember ke ucoach Hugo Bros ulande one of the best players abazo represent iBafana Bafana kulama friendlies lawa awu2 siwadlala nePanama silungisela ukuyodlala iWorld Cup. So lama games la omabili abalekile indlela eyisimanga. iPanama lesiyodlala nayo i-team vele ekhona kwiWorld Cup and ba ranked number 33 emhlabeni jikelele. Yabo thina silapha ku number 61. So bona baphezulu kunathi in terms of ranking. So i-team right kakhulu for iBafana Bafana ukuthi silungiselele ngayo. Yabo akumele sikise kancane because they are ranked above iBafana Bafana 30 spots already. So naye ke mina ngokwami iprediction engayiqalisa ngayo iBafana Bafana against iPanama kule game esoyidlala kulehla starting epalini. I think niyalwazi ukuthi abafethu uRonon Williams is the Bafana Bafana number 1 goalkeeper and uyena umjide ngamqalisa as ugoalkeeper uBafana Bafana kule game lesoyidlala against iPanama. Umjida kumele ayimisele ngempela. Yabo kumele ayimisele ngempela for iBafana Bafana. The last AFCON umjida he was not that great. Yabo kumele nje sibe neqiniso umjida he was not that great the last AFCON. But ke kule competition esakhiwa no World Cup kumele ayikhombise ngempela ukuthi uyi South Africa's number 1. Yabona ke lapha ku World Cup ilapho khona ezosimenta khona indawo yakhe as the best South African goalkeeper oseke waba khona jikelele. And mina ngiyamthemba bafethu uRonon Williams. Yebo ngangitshela wena ngokwami he is the best South African goalkeeper oseke waba khona jikelele. Yabo but ke abanye abantu they have their own views ngokwabo. Yabo mhlambe ke ungambeka na uSipho Chain. Yabo ulapha ya masukuthi ke lapha ku center back pairing I think ngokwami ngamqalisa umbekezeli Mbokazi and ngimqalise nobani na ngimqalise noIme Okon. I know abanye abantu bangasho ukuthi Vane wawuqalisa uIme Okon ekhona uSibisi. Remember guys, this is a friendly match. Njengoba friendly match nje abanye abadlali kumele baqale, abanye abadlali kumele baqale. uSibisi usengayithola second half opportunity ukuthi angene umjida ayibonakalise same as uNdamano usengangena second half akhiphe ubani umbekezeli Mbokazi. Yabo abadlali basukushintsha noma ke i-second leg le yodlalwa le Cape Town kuqale esinye scheme because remember we are preparing these players to play for i-World Cup. So iyona ke i-center back pairing mina yami engakwazi ngiqalise le game le. Yabo abajida bawu2 ngiyabathemba Ime Okon uqine kakhulu umjida unafu nane height sayidinga. I don't need to speak about umbekezeli Mbokazi. You know the quality of umbekezeli Mbokazi. You know ukuthi umbekezeli Mbokazi ukunikezani egroundini. Yabo wabonile ama games akhe so far for iChicago Fire. Umjida udlala kahle kakhulu. So wena wangitshela ke center back pairing yakho ingaba kanjani. Masukuthi ke kuma wing backs bafethu unyalwazi uDaba kumele siye lana le. Akumele nje siye lana le nyalazi ngempela uDaba. Masukuthi ke lapha ka right wing back khona uMtawa. Masukuthi ke lapha ka left wing back okhona uAubrey Modiba. Yabo le team esiyodlala nayo angiyazi kakhulu. Yabo nje angayazi nje kakhulu so we need our best players ukuthi ke bayiqale le game le because we don't really know ukuthi ke siyobhekana nani. Yabo iqiniso nje lilihle. I don't think ukhona umuntu oseke wabukela ama games ePanama wabona ukuthi iPanama idlala kanjani. iBafana Bafana izobe iqala ngqa ukudlala nale country le. So nje kuzoba kuyigame yethu ukuqala akumele sibathathe kancane because they are ranked above iBafana Bafana. Yabo so this is the back four of iBafana Bafana jwasiyodlala against iPanama. Iqinile ngokwakho ngangitshela ukuthi ibapha abadlali ongabashintsha uqalise baphi abadlali but ke this is my back four. Masukuthi ke number 6 bafethu khona uTebogo Mokoena. I know umjida wathinteka last game he played but ke Tebogo Mokoena for me ngingamqalisa as number 6. Maybe mhlambe ke uHugo Bros ngiyeza amqalise because umjida yabo mhlambe umsabela uthi uzolimala mhlambe neSundowns naye izokhuluma ithi umjida angaqaliswa but ke uyadeserve ukuthi ayiqale le game le. Yabo he needs to start this game. Tebogo Mokoena bafethu umjida is one of the best number 6 is now la South Africa and I don't know ukuthi khona yena umdlali esingashintsha ngayo lapha kuBafana Bafana. Do you think ukhona? Oh ba Sithola. I don't think uSithola number 6 kodwa kulabadlali ababiziwe kubuza uSithola uMbatha mase obuzo Jaden Adams mase uTebogo Mokoena, which is a weird thing to do by Hugo Bros because each and every position there must be a player ozokwazi ukuthi akhiphe lo mdlali. Yabo you cannot rely on other players. Yabo because no number 8 abathathu mase siba no number 6 oyi1. That is not a proper midfield. That is not a proper midfield. We need another number 6. Hugo Bros must do better. Masukuthi-ke lapha phambi kwakhe-ke bafethu uTebogo Mokoena ngadlalisa bani na? Ngingadlalisa uTalente Mbatha niyolazi ukudaba. uTalente Mbatha amatalente awafani bafethu. Bengamdlalisa mhlambe noJaden Adams. Maybe Jaden Adams bengamqalisa naye. He has been very very good for Mamelodi Sundowns. Maybe uzoyiqala le game le against iPanama, but-ke Talente Mbatha umjita bafethu udlala kahle kakhulu for Orlando Pirates. Maybe-ke umjita angaqala and mina ngokwami bengamqalisa. Mase sithi number 10 position. Number 10 position omunye umuntu bengasho ukuthi angamqalisa uThemba Zwane, but-ke uThemba Zwane he's not getting any game time kuMamelodi Sundowns. I-game time ayitholayo i-limited kakhulu. So njengoba nje i-limited, you need players who play more frequently. Yabo, players who play more frequently. Why don't you start a player who just scored a hat-trick against the TS Galaxy? Yabo, against the TS Galaxy, a beautiful hat-trick. So mina ngokwami I'll start Mofokeng as number 10 kule game lesiyodlala against iPanama. Yabo, so ufani yasibona ischeme siqinile. So ufani yasibona ischeme siqinile, asixoxa indawo. Mbatha, Mokoena and Mofokeng, Triple M. Masukuthi-ke kuma-wingers niyalazi udaba naku-Orlando Pirates bahlezi benza the same thing. Yabo, bahlezi benza the same thing. Kumele kuzodeliver u3 points. Yabo, kumele nje kuzodeliver u3 points. Tsepang Moremi and Oswina Police. These are our wingers. Ukhona bafethu uTapelo Morena usebuyile. Yangijabulisa ukuzwa ukuthi-ke uMorena usebuyile kwiBafana Bafana. Kodwa-ke the first players ekumele baqale le game list, the starters okubani na Oswina Police maseke ba uTsepang Moremi. Yabo, I trust the guys to deliver kule game lesiyoyidlala. Yabo, kuyangijabulisa kakhulu ukuthi abajita they are performing. But I spoke about uTsepang Moremi with Oswina Police ever since iAFCON yaphela, ever since babuya kweAFCON abajita it feels like babekhathele kakhulu. Yabo, nayo iMamelodi Sundowns yayikhathele kakhulu. You saw kubadlali bayo ukuthi-ke yayingadlali kahle, but-ke ever since kwaphela lokho kukhathala iSundowns sidlala kahle and uTsepang Moremi benayo Oswina Police. They are very very good and they are performing for iBafana Bafana and iOrlando Pirates. Yabo, so abajita ngibathemba ukuthi-ke badlale kahle nakhona futhi-ke kule game le and nakuyona iWorld Cup badlale. Masukuthi-ke i-striker, I feel like sonke siyazi ukuthi-ke uLyle Foster isona striker esizoqala for iBafana Bafana. Yabo, isona striker esizoqala. Ngiyathanda anithandi. Yabo, Ikram Reyners bengajabula ukuthi abe khona phathi-ke kule setup le. Seems like ucoach akabelieve again with Ikram Reyners. So iyona-ke lineup mina-ke bengayiprefera for iBafana Bafana ukuthi-ke iqale ngayo le. Wena ngokwakho nawe mhlambe-ke unayo i-lineup onayo in your mind ongangitshela yona, ungayigxeke yami. Just tell me your preferred lineup kuma-comments. Ngingajabula nje ukuzwa ukuthi wena ngokwakho ibaphi abadlali ongabadlalisa. I think this is the best lineup esingaqala ngayo na kwi-World Cup. Maybe-ke wena ngokwakho.